Hello guys, how you doing? It's beautiful morning here in Bali in Sanur, and it's raining actually since last night till now. There's no floods in Sanur, happy days, but I decided why not to show you at the morning in Sanur why it's raining, because first of all it's very nice when it's raining. I really like it when it's raining, and there is not really hot, and unfortunately maybe not so many people are around because everybody are afraid about the rain, but I will show you a little bit around, so I hope so you're gonna enjoy the rain vibes in Bali. So this is the beach situation at morning when it's raining, and the patio where all the restaurants usually packed of people, especially afternoon and at night. Summer here in Omba, probably I'm gonna have my morning coffee with croissant, but inside of course some people walking. As you can see, it's not as nobody is walking. However, definitely feels like it's very quiet. In general, at mornings are often quiet because many restaurants are not open for breakfast. Some of them some of them not. Like this one is open especially for lunch and dinner, because they selling like a seafood and all of this stuff, so not really suitable for breakfast. But I think this one is open for breakfast because it's already open. It's about 9 o'clock at morning. I just dropped Winnie to office because obviously rainy, and I have a little bit more time today, but I decided why not. I'm gonna show you at morning Sanur. Actually pretty nice when it's rainy. Sounds of the rain. Some people working actually. They seems like they staying in Hyatt because of the umbrellas, I think. This is Lila, very nice place for breakfast, by the way. Massage place also. I'm gonna hit now a little bit into direction of Intercontinental Hotel, and then I'm gonna come back to direction of Hyatt Hotel, show you a little bit around. Check this out, pretty cool vibes when it's rainy. Enjoy the sound of the rain and squeezing my sandals, because when it's rainy and feet and sandals are wet, are squeezing a little bit. Sorry about that, but I think you can enjoy the sounds of the rain. Pretty cozy vibe actually at morning, guys. Also you can enjoy the beach if you would like. Of course not for sunbathing or any kind of stuff like this one, but the overall vibe is perfect weather conditions for walking actually. Sanur at morning, guys, and this is the area of Intercontinental. There's the one restaurant what belongs to Intercontinental. You can have a breakfast by yourself, or when you are staying in the hotels you're also gonna have a breakfast here, I think. But seems very quiet right now. That's maybe because of rain, so everybody move inside the hotel, right? Moving now back to the Hyatt direction. I want to show you other side of the Sanur. Actually the same walking distance, just you can walk right or left since where I started and where I parked my car. Also I wanted to mention a few words about the floods in Bali. In general in Southeast Asia there is very huge monsoon season right now. It's beginning of rainy season in Bali and in Denpasar, especially in last time in North Bali, in Central Bali, in West Bali there were many floods. Usually floods are very popular also in Ubud, so keep it in mind. Exactly, and that's what's happened yesterday. Actually, after I stopped filming this video, afternoon there were many floods in Ubud, unfortunately, like a landslide, and also falling the motorbike in the water. So currently the rain season is started and is very high actually. I'm gonna put some video on the screen right now what you can see from Ubud yesterday. This is from my Instagram. If you haven't followed us on Instagram, you can do it now, because on Instagram you can find something in real time. In YouTube everything is actually next day. So TheMonkeys YouTube, and meanwhile let's back to the Sanur video. Just staying in Kuta, Legian, also floods are popular. Every year actually the same street, the same locations. In Sanur usually there is not so many floods. So also if you're asking me where I gonna travel upcoming weeks, I don't know, because I think I have to reschedule and rethink many plans just because of the weather and the floods. And potentially we don't want to stuck in the floods, let's say in Chiang Mai, because there are floods in Chiang Mai in Thailand right now. So let's see guys, I will let you know for sure. So this is where I started filming today's video. I'm going to opposite direction into the Hyatt Hotel. Also I think I'm gonna order my coffee, so whenever I'm gonna come back it's gonna be waiting for me already. Some people are here, they are to selling you learning how to surf and stuff like this one, because in Sanur actually you can also surf just from the boat. You have to go like a 1 kilometer. Also popular for the kite surfers. And as you can see, at morning many things are still closed in Sanur. Even this restaurant famous for the pizza overall for dinner is closed at morning. So there is simply not so many options for the breakfast actually, except this two what I mentioned before. Also pardon me for my voice, I didn't have a coffee yet and I just wake up half hour ago. At morning my voice sounds like that, little bit different. Some people saying, is it you, Damian? Are you sure is Damian filming this video? Yeah, that's me, just at morning, still sleepy. Seems like this restaurant Seagrass with this bamboo construction is open for breakfast. Looks pretty actually nice. Some people have an interest, probably many of people staying in Hyatt and the hotel surrounds on the other side. You know, there are many hotels actually on the other side where I'm heading actually right now. So also jet skis water is very shallow, very flat, middle low tide, so it's perfect opportunity for the jet skis this morning. And left famous La Playa restaurant seems to be open actually for breakfast, guys. So happy days, but not so busy, but it's open for sure. And actually, as I mentioned, all of the people here who are working currently right now, most of them they staying in the Hyatt because I see the green umbrellas. That's what I remember. And yeah, meanwhile very cozy at morning. So actually it's very enjoyable to working when it's raining, especially for me as it's not hot and I really like the sound of the rain. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to walk in Sanur when it's raining. And meanwhile this is the situation of pizzeria in Hyatt hotel. They are actually closed at breakfast, at morning time for breakfast. They open at 11 or 12 for the lunchtime because all the breakfast are already moved into the hotel. Deep inside the hotel there's restaurant for the breakfast for the guests, but during the pandemic times you could come here and enjoy the breakfast, and all the guests had the breakfast actually here. So now currently only lunch and dinner, but also great place for having some snacks and drinks, meeting people. Actually pretty enjoyable place. Also the promenade situation I'm gonna show you, like this one. So the promenade situation is, I don't know how they build this, is brand new and the water is just floating little bit. So that's mean as they make some little mistakes when they was building this, because you see it's not really flat. Here is the water and there is not. Well, that's how does it look like, and that's how does it work. Meanwhile, you can see pretty not many people actually around. I could say not many people, almost nobody working. People in general, even coming to Bali, they don't really like when it's raining. That's what I realized. Most of people, they are just staying in the hotels, at homes, in the villas, maybe in the restaurants, driving to the restaurant, but that's it. Even in the swimming pool situation, everyone, okay, that's not people in the swimming pool situation. By the hotel when it's raining, I can understand, but why nobody walking around? That's pretty looks weird little bit. Well, if you're cycling during the rain and you like it, there will be nobody around. Nobody will distract you. Also for walking. Also remember, now you have a sign where to walk, where you're cycling, but not everybody follow this rule, unfortunately. And remember when I was talking about the palm trees in Seminyak last time? It seems like in Sanur they planting them as well. So seems like everywhere in Bali they making the same style, new promenade and palm trees, which is actually pretty cool. It's gonna look very beautiful in my opinion later on in the next few years when they're gonna finish all of this project and the palm tree is gonna be big enough. That's gonna be actually pretty cool. And anyway, if somebody asking me which hotel do you recommend to stay in Sanur, one of them is Hyatt Regency. This one definitely. You have a nice restaurants, you have a nice swimming pool area and nice garden situation like this one. This is all belongs to the Hyatt Regency. So of course that's one of my recommendations for the hotel. Another one will be Puri Santran, Gria Santran Hotel. Another one will be Tanjung Sari Hotel. Another one will be Holiday Inn, brand new hotel in Sanur. And well, that's it. Whoa, what's that? I hit the tree with my umbrella. That's it, what I would recommend. Some of them they are more expensive and more 5 stars hotels. Some of them they are more budget ones. So everybody could find something for yourself. So so hard actually to walk with the umbrella, filming myself, and be careful of the trees. Also, if you are looking for lower budget, there are so many local guest houses everywhere in Sanur, so everybody could find something for yourself. If you're looking for the most luxury hotels in Sanur, definitely Hyatt and Andaz. Also Andaz is okay, but I prefer Hyatt overall, which is pretty the same company actually. Rain, rain, go away, come on, she run over the... something like that. That was the song for kids, I guess. And yeah, this is the... whoa, so much rain actually here, water. Shouldn't be like that, I guess, but that's how it is. And they opening up the restaurant, actually, the Hyatt Pizzeria. I think they opening at... they should open actually, last time they told me it's 11, 12, but maybe they opening at 9 again. It's always changing something. And if you ask me for recommendations for the restaurants, especially for breakfast, in Sanur, I like Omba, Lila Pantai, that's the two on the beach. Pizzeria behind me, but that's not for breakfast actually. Tanjung Sari Hotel is also nice for coffee. Sol on the beach is also very nice. That's all of them from the beach situation. And from the sea street, definitely Bread Basket. This is one of my favorite one. French Baguette is also very nice. Sala Bistro, Over the Moon. All of them, they are on Tamblingan Street. And to give one more, it will be... actually, I don't know. That's usually I'm going to these places, guys. So this is my cappuccino and the chocolatino or chocolate croissant, depends how do you call it, overlooking the ocean and rain and the house. The traffic is going. Rain looks like it's smaller now, but still it's raining actually. It's gonna be probably since for another few hours. Anyways, I hope so you enjoyed today's my morning stroll in Sanur through the rain. Very peaceful and easygoing vlog. Sometimes it's good like this one. I know some of you guys prefer videos like this one rather than the older ones, so also in my opinion it's very interesting to show you stuff like this one. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you so much for listening. I will see you tomorrow next one. See ya.